David Schwartz from Ripple told the XRP community that 40.7 billion XRP that was held in trust was burned. This made people curious and worried. This move addresses concerns that XRP fans had about how Ripple was managing the cryptocurrency. David Schwartz, Ripple's chief technology officer, gave some information about the rise in XRP burning. The community wants to know more about the possibility of burning the 40.78 billion XRP that is currently in escrow accounts by putting those accounts on a ban. Ripple can look like an escrow that is on fire. Schwartz explained how Ripple could keep XRP held in lockup from being used by limiting access to the accounts that are linked to them. The XRP community is getting more and more upset about Ripple's heavy involvement in cryptocurrencies and its monthly releases of XRP from escrow accounts. This is in response to claims that the crypto business manipulated prices through programmatic sales, which have added fuel to the fire of the ongoing debate about the destruction of XRP SOs and other market scandals. XRP fans are getting more and more angry because they think Ripple is trying to control the market and make the cryptocurrency less valuable. Schwartz's answer makes it clear that Ripple controls XRP and shows how the company keeps its reserves safe. Schwartz's answer shows how complicated and troublesome the XRPL ecosystem is, even though Ripple manages the market by controlling when XRP is released from escrow accounts. During its legal battle with the SEC, Ripple is asking the court for more time so that the business has more time to respond to discovery requests. Ripple has asked that the deadline be pushed back to February 20th so that they have more time to follow the court's ruling. There is a lot of debate surrounding this new development. Public opinion is good about a cryptocurrency called QUITA, which is getting a lot of attention. Ripple's request for a delay as part of its ongoing process shows how hard the company is working to defend itself in court, and how much it cares about keeping good records. There is a court case going on between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission over how to classify and regulate XRP, Ripple's own coin. After the big changes in the law last year, the most important thing to think about is the difference between selling assets and selling XRP to institutions. This subject is very important for Ripple and the Bitcoin market as a whole. In the legal conflicts, Judge Annalisa gave a split decision. In the end, she kept the difference between programmatic and retail XRP sales, saying that programmatic sales could be considered unregistered securities offers while retail sales could not. It was a big win that this decision was made. Ripple thought the legal fights were fair and hopeful, but R's future looks bad. As a new coin, Enquires' smart investments in AI companies are getting more attention. This is happening at the same time that Ripple is still in court with the SEC. In a way that is different from standard initial coin offerings, the incubator uses QB tokens to make small investments in AI or mass heat. This opens up a new way for buyers to get a piece of these companies by using non-fungible tokens that represent real ownership. The goal is to make it easier for more people to invest in the quickly growing AI field so that capital is spread out more fairly. The pre-sale raised a huge $9.6 million, which shows how much people are interested in the company's plan to use blockchain technology and AI startup investment to attract long-term investors and make sure the network will continue to run. By 2020, the deflationary token idea will be put into action on the platform. This will include a decentralized autonomous organization called WO, a one-of-a-kind way to trade tokens, a market for non-fungible tokens, and research into cross-chain capabilities. This new invention demonstrates how adding blockchain technology to conventional financial methods is becoming more and more common. The incubation strategy creates arenas while also improving artificial intelligence. One example is the dynamic user, who is always changing because it connects investors with new investment opportunities. In the meantime, people are becoming more interested in a coin that is based on artificial intelligence. Finally, QUITA's rise to become a major player in the blockchain business is a sign of hope for the future of AI integration. This event happens at the same time that Ripple is still in court battles with the SEC, which makes things more complicated in the Bitcoin market. Inaba's creative method stands out in the midst of Ripple's legal problems, creating a dynamic story in the industry. The story shows both the chances and the problems that lie ahead. The point of this piece is not to give investment advice, but to teach with a positive outlook. Bitcoin owners want Kel to help them work out their differences with the SEC. Ripple is asking the courts to give them more time. The ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has brought the company back into the public eye and given the SEC more time to react to its disclosure. Questions about Discovery Ripple has asked that the deadline be pushed back to February 20th so that they have more time to follow the court's ruling. While people are still talking about it, a new coin called Enquires is getting a lot of attention and good reviews. The size of Venture Falls project demonstrates how determined it is to present its case in court in a precise and accurate manner. There is a legal fight going on between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission over how to classify and regulate Ripple's own coin, XRP. To get more information, the courts have been asked to grant more time. The main problem is explaining the difference between selling stocks and selling XRP to institutions. This talk will be very helpful for both Ripple and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. When Judge Torres made his decision last year, it was a big step forward in the legal battles. In his ruling, the judge supported the difference between programmatic sales on retail exchanges and institutional XRP sales, saying that the latter could be called unregistered offers of securities following this important victory. Ripple feels like it was righteous, and it gives people hope that the ongoing legal fights will end well. Even so, Ripple's future doesn't look good. People are interested in Bob's new way of dealing in new cryptocurrencies. At the same time, Ripple and the SEC are still fighting in court. The IAS and QUET spend small amounts of money in AI using Cubo tokens, which is different from how initial coin offerings are usually done. Investors who want to own a piece of these companies can now purchase non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and other forms of real ownership. This method tries to help democracy. Putting money into the artificial intelligence business, which is growing quickly, will make it easier for more people to use. A lot of people are interested in the company's plan to combine blockchain technology with AI startup investment. This is why the incubator prize raised over $9.6 million. This is meant to reward owners who stay with the network for a long time and make sure it can keep going. The idea of an inflating token will be used in the app. It is planned to have a one-of-a-kind exchange system, a decentralized autonomous company called DAO, a non-fungible token called XE, and research into its power by 2024. This new invention shows that blockchain technology is being used more and more in standard investment methods. Arenas are always changing because funders are linked with startups, especially in the fast-paced AI field. The strategy of the incubator creates new investment possibilities and helps AI research move forward. Okay, that's all for now. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel to receive more updates on cryptocurrencies.